What is going on, crypto news viewers? It's your boy Crypto RJ. Today we're going to be talking about Turbo, giving you guys another Turbo update. Now the markets have actually been crashing once again in the past couple of days, so not looking too good. Bitcoin's back down into the $50,000 range, which obviously sucks. But in this video, we're going to be going over Turbo. We're going to be talking about some new updates and why I think Turbo is still going to be fine regardless of all the turbulence in the market. So to start off with the chart, guys, like I said, it is looking pretty bad. Turbo is down 7.5% in the past 24 hours, giving them a market cap of 240 million. Now, yes, the market cap is still fine. It is still looking pretty decent, but the price action is not looking too good. The charts are not looking fine at all. If you actually take a look at the 7-day chart or the 1 week chart, we could see down 9%. And the 1 month chart, this is where things get even worse, down 30%. However, this is actually an upgrade because if we used to look at the 1 month chart, it was really terrible. It was not good at all. But because of, I guess, trading sideways for about a couple of weeks now, it's starting to look better, and it's gonna look even better as the days go on. Now let's talk more about what actually happened. So this is a possible scenario for Turbo, and I want to share this with you guys, some technical analysis, because I do think that when a market cap or a project with a market cap above like 200 million, you can kind of look at technical analysis, although I don't really believe in technical analysis, and a lot of the time it's just bullshit. Technical analysis for men is what like star signs for women is. So I don't know if it's really true. Again, sure, everyone could draw lines on a chart, but again, we'll talk about that in another video. Anyways, what we see here is there is a key support area, and again, I do like to look at technical analysis because however it is right a lot of the time, it's mainly because market makers, people with a lot of liquidity, they understand that everyone's going to be looking at the same thing, the same patterns, and it's easy to manipulate markets. So we are expecting, or I guess this chart is expecting a pump, so I guess a bit of a retest here twice, and then a bounce up, right? So a turbo pump, because there is a support rate that we haven't gone past. If we do actually break the support, we are probably going to be looking at a crash here for Turbo. But again, we're going to have to see. These are all just possible scenarios. With technical analysis, nothing is ever guaranteed, nor is it ever set in stone. Now, another thing I want to share with you guys is this right here. So this is a tweet from Turbo. They basically said, Turbo power. Deep at the heart of Turbo is a parabolic power that appears unexpectedly. Fuel up, hold on, and prepare for the coming months. Because guys, that is 100% true. Remember guys, crypto is a long-term game. A lot of people, they try and time the market cycle, and listen, a lot of people, they try to call the bottom for Bitcoin, they try to call the top for Bitcoin, and realistically, no one is going to be beating the market other than the top 1%. If you think you're going to be beating the market, you are delusional. What I would definitely do is have a proper enter and exit strategy. If you are up on your Turbo investment, the best thing to do is get your initial investment out, so you're playing with house money at the end of the day, and you're not playing with your own funds. And guys, Turbo is the biggest AI project out there, so it makes a lot of sense for people like you and I to stay in this project long term. This isn't a project that you should really be looking to swing trade, especially at a market cap of over 200 million. Let's be real. Are you really going to be making 100x on this? Probably not. But you are going to be able to make a nice 2 to 4x, maybe even 5x, maybe even 10x from these current prices. So if you're already up 2x, may as well sell your initial investment and get back so you're in this trade risk-free. Now, the next thing I want to show you guys is this right here. So this is pretty cool. So Turbo is listed on NISA exchange. I've actually never heard of this exchange before, but again, the more exchange listings that happen, the better for the project overall, right? So this has spot trading, so you guys can go ahead and use that if you guys are interested. It seems like this is a European exchange, just for the sole fact that they have Turbo Euro as a trading pair. And even if we look at NISA Global, I believe it is, it doesn't really say, but yeah, that's just another cool thing to look out for as well. So another thing I want to show with you guys before we end this video is this project right here. This is Pepe's blockchain, guys. Pepe's blockchain has raised about $11 million. And the reason I want to talk about this real quick is because, guys, this project is, in my opinion, going to blow up. This thing is going to go huge. It is a pre-sale project, which means it's so early to actually hop into something like this. You could buy this with ETH, Tether, a credit card, or BNB, so it's very easily accessible. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go and check it out. But more or less, guys, it's Pepe's blockchain, similar to how AVAX has its blockchain, Solana has its blockchain, ETH has its blockchain. This is the Pepe blockchain. So I definitely recommend go and check it out for those that don't know what this is. I know I've been talking about this for a while now, but the pre-sale is about to end. So if you guys aren't in on this already, you definitely want to get in sooner rather than later. Now guys, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.